Birdbath corner down to the fire pit. Taking a left hand, Pennsylvania tree. Crosses the line, down to the Ranger Straight. We take a sharp turn over to Garbage City. In the Birdbath corner, Rustler takes the lead. Down to Ford F. Ranger Straight, Garbage. Oh, and he drifts. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So we have an idea, we're gonna make a track. So this is the first video of the series, I guess, and maybe after we play with these cars for a bit, there'll be a little bit more of an area we see that we can use as a track. So if this becomes a thing, then, well, you're here seeing it first. Yeah, not useful yet. You can drive the monster truck. Off you go, sir. Cat and mouse? I'm the mouse, you guys are the cats. Woo! Ah, you can see me. I'm gonna go get my mini cones. We're gonna mow the lawn.
We're gonna make a track.
Sick. I'm gonna go the other way. It's a little easy the other way.
Huh?
The opposite direction.
Opposite direction?
So cool. Wow guys, who would have ever seen this coming? Making a track for the channel. Oh yeah, it's so much better now.
Grip. You can go so fast.
I like this little slowdown turn over here. The long straight. I'm gonna be turning fast laps in this track. Uh-oh, did this one break? It broke. What happened? Can't drive it.
The best bet, Mike, is just to cut the grass the same length as this. And then I'll use my big mower where it has the 50-inch blade. So we'll have a 50-inch dirt. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Not dirt, but a root system from the grass.
Damn, you don't want to drive at all.
If we have to, you know, we can go get the white paint, like marker paint, and we can mark our track out so we can see it.
Mm-hmm. It's a good idea.
We might actually have a can of that white paint. But let's get it clean and cut, and that way on the video.
Alright, well, slash died, so... Can we get the other slash?
Mine's in there.
Just rip the bandit. No, I'll rip this thing.
Play with the Rustler? I'm always playing with yours, Mike. Play with mine.
Sure. I could see like you now, TJ.
You're actually about the same height. He's still taller than you.
That's crazy. You can't catch me. I'm the rustler. Woo!
me over.
Oh no! We got fire pit over to the, what tree is that?
Zaharopolis turn.
All right, Zaharopolis.
Zaharopolis bend.
Down to the, what's this? This is the straight right here. The Ranger straight. The Ranger straight. Down to the water.
This is a
Bird feeder alley.
the bird feeder.
And the bird feeder,
Say it again.
like bird feeder, it's got to be like a death corner, like, because you really got to slow down. The bird skill, I don't know, something with the bird feeder. Zaharopolis tree down the on the Ranger straight to the bird bath sharp turn, straight down to the Zaharopolis tree.
Oh, I wish I could stay here forever. I feel like I'm 10 years old.
Oh no!
I like that last twice now.
I know, man.
Slow and steady, turtle speed. Slow and steady wins the race. Same throttle, all the way around.
TJ says I feel like I'm 10. Yeah, man. This is what life's all about. Acting like a kid. So from Garbage Bend to Bird Bath Corner, down past Fire Pit to Zaharopolis Tree, across to the Ranger Bend back to Garbage Corner. Garbage Bend, Ranger Straight, Zaharopolis, Fire Pit, Bird Bath Corner. Go. In the Bird Bath Corner down to the Fire Pit, taking a left hand, past the Zaharopolis Tree, crosses the line, down to the Ranger Straight, we take a sharp turn over to Garbage City in the Bird Bath Corner. Wrestler takes the lead. Down to Ford F. Ranger Straight, Garbage. Oh, and he drifts. It's so hard to commentate. Pit stop. Bro, this is awesome, dude. Alright, so a couple last laps here.
Yeah, so what you say to be, you could lay white lines down? And like
Yeah.
I like going this way, Mikey. I'm gonna be honest with you.
This way
I
we're
like
doing
this
now?
way. I feel like when we come around,
You don't like this way? Or you,
that we have, man, you can carry so much more speed.
around here, right?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
So much more. This
Alright.
is more exciting going this way, dude. I'm telling you.
Which way? Yeah, this way, okay.
In clockwise motion. You carry so much speed right here, dude. It's awesome. Once you get that little spot right there,
I struggle on Garbage Bend, dude.
oh, we can call it something else like line path. Keep it blind forever.
Alright guys, there's the track. Future videos coming up. Pretty dope. See ya.